Question 20. 50 people were asked if they speak French or German or Spanish, and then we have a long list of information. 2 of the 50 people are chosen at random. Work out the probability that they both only speak Spanish. The best way to present this data is via a Venn diagram, and then we can look at the probabilities. I pre-drawn my Venn diagram. So I've got a French circle, a German circle, and a Spanish circle. When I'm reading through the information, I want information I can put in that I know I won't have to change. For example, 31 people speak French, so this whole circle here I'm trying to highlight will add up to 31, but I don't know which bit goes where. 2 speak French, German, and Spanish. Now I can put that in. 2 speak French, German, and Spanish. I'll just put a little tick next to it so I know I've used it. 4 speak French and Spanish, but not German. So it must be 4 there. 7 speak German and Spanish. German and Spanish. Now it's tempting here to put a 7, but it's actually 5 because you've got 2 already that speak French and German. You've got 2 already that speak German and Spanish. So there's now 7 that speak German and Spanish. Notice it didn't say 7 speak German and Spanish, but not French. If that was the case, this 5 would have to be 7. But it doesn't say anything about French, so the 2 people that speak German and Spanish are included. 8 do not speak any of the languages, they go outside. All 10 people who speak German, so there's 10 people in this circle, speak at least one other language. So there's no one that just speaks German, which means this must be 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this whole circle of German adds up to 10. 31 speak French, I can fill that in now. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. That leaves 22 people who just speak French. And in total, there are 50 people. So if I add up all these numbers, whatever I'm left with to get to 50 would go here. Once I had put in the first number that I wasn't given, so I was given the 2, I wasn't given the 5, I was given 7. So once you put that 5 in, the first number, you work out a number that you haven't been given correctly into the diagram, you get 1 mark. Once I get the Spanish number, I will have my second mark. So let's just add these up. Obviously in the exam, use your calculator. 22 and 3 is 25, 30, 34, 36, and 8 makes 44. So there must be 6 people in Spanish. So it's 2 marks for getting the Venn diagram drawn correctly. 2 of the 50 people are chosen at random. Work out the probability that they both only speak Spanish. So the only speak Spanish section is this bit. So the first person has a 6 out of 50 probability of being picked. And there's my third mark. My second person, because somebody's already been picked, there's now only 5 left. And there's only 49 left to pick from. That sum is my 4th mark. And then my 5th mark is for answering the question. So I'll pick up my calculator and I'll use the fraction button and do 6 over 50 times 5 over 49. And I get 3 over 245 as my answer. And I've got my 5th mark.